Hey y'all, it's Mary. I told y'all I got the Space NK Advent Calendar, which I'm waiting to open December 1st, but I did a little video to introduce it to y'all in case it was something you wanted to buy. And last I looked, it's still available, but it will not last long. They always sell out. In buying the Advent Calendar, if you join their little club on the website, you'll get $15 of their points to spend. And it is a very bougie website, y'all. It's in the UK, and I don't know that I'll really buy much from them, so I didn't want to lose my points. And also in the Advent Calendar, they gave me a card for $10 off. So I thought, I've got $25 free from this company, so I want to get something. So when you go look at their website, like I said, very bougie items. So I probably won't be buying regularly from them, but I thought, you know what? I'm not going to lose my $25. So I bought something, and it came. Here it is. It was very hard to figure out how to open this up, so I sort of broke it up. So let's see what I got. Let me open it again. And this is what's inside, is this cute little sack from Space NK. And of course there's my invoice, and there are some samples. When you check out, they let you choose a couple samples. So this time I got, let's see what I get. I got a little Good Jeans Sunday Riley, pack. You know, these are just the, single use type things. There may be enough in there to use twice. I'm not real sure. I like Sunday Riley, great stuff. And there was this, and I don't believe I've ever tried anything from this brand before. It's Sisley, S-I-S-L-E-Y, okay? And this is bigger, and it has a lot in there. So it is all in French. Okay, here, Black Rose Skin Infusion Cream for plumping and radiance, it says. It's from Paris, Sisley, Paris. And daily radiant plumping face care helps restore the elasticity of more youthful skin, reinforces the reinforces the luminosity, I should wear some glasses, and freshness of the complexion, intensely moisturizes, non-comedogenic. Okay, so I just was happy. It's nice to get some things to try. So that was fun. And look how cute they wrapped this up. Oh, well, it was a bow a second ago, and now it's gone. Camille's right here. But it's a real, ribbon and everything in there. And I got something that I wouldn't get normally, that I could never pay full price for. And I got free shipping because of the price of the item. And then I got $25 off. So this is what I got, a Charlotte Tilbury palette. So this was $46.80, and then I got the $25 off, and the delivery is $7. I got that for free. So it says that my total would have been $53.80, and I paid $28.80. So that's half price. So, or not quite half price, but about half price. So I decided to get it. Now let me see if I can figure out how to open it. It's all sealed. It's sealed here, but the bottom opens. So, okay, Camille, don't move too much, love. I don't even remember let's see what I got, because they have a bunch of choices, of course. This one is, it's called Luxury Palette, Color-Coded Eyeshadows. That's what it says on the packaging. You can see the Charlotte Tilbury emblem there. All right, Camille. And this is it here. You can see my blinds in it over there. It is shiny and powdery going on. Luxury palette. Let's swatch. It's called the Vintage Vamp. Yeah, the Vintage Vamp. So let's see what it looks like. I don't even remember. Okay. It has a mirror. She's got that ribbon she's chewing on. We're in that little bag. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is it. So they're gorgeous. Gorgeous, nice neutrals. So let's swatch, shall we? All right, let's see if they have color names. This one is the Prime, just Prime. And this one is Enhance. Prime and Enhance. Very nice, bold. I mean, I love that about them. Of course, you know, as Charlotte Tilbury, it's going to be great. I've never had any eyeshadows from her before. I've had some lipsticks, which I meant to put that on, but I didn't. This is, now hang on a minute. This one is called Pop Skintillar. I don't know what that means. And this one is Smoke Ombre. This one's a really gold. Hard to see that one. Let me do that gold. It's a gold glitter. You can see it. It's this one here, a gold glitter. And it looks more like a highlight than a shadow. Yeah, very hard to see, but it's beautiful. They are very pretty. So that's what I got. That's it. That's all I got to show you. So I just thought I would, you know, I can't afford to spend about $50 for a palette, and it was bad enough spending what I spent, but I wanted to get my $25. You know, it's hard to pass that kind of thing up, even though I could have said no and got nothing and not spent any money. I did spend a little money. So thank you to Space NK. And this Charlotte Tilbury has, well, I didn't notice that. In the little mirror, there's a little star. Isn't that cute? It's etched in. So thank you to Charlotte Tilbury. Thank you to Space NK. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.